What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at the Artisul D16 pen display. Art is soul, fuel for the creative fire. So all those creative people out there, listen up. Now we've looked at drawing displays in the past. I had some help from some artist friends, but this time it's gonna be just me. So let's just jump right into this. Now this is compatible with Mac OS 10.12 or later and Windows 7 or later. It's full HD at 1920 by 1080. It's a 15.6 inch display. It has customizable buttons, 7 to be exact. There is a customizable quick dial, that's cool. Now it has 8,192 pressure sensitivity levels. It does come with a bag and it does have extra nibs. There is a freestyle stand, a matte anti-glare screen protector pre-applied. Oh, that's good. So we don't have to do it. Now the pen is actually battery free. It doesn't require any power, any charge, anything like that, which is great. Ooh. Oh wow, that's thin. Look at that. Look how thin that is. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's pretty nice. So you got a nice pouch for the pen. You've got your extra nibs. You got a power adapter, USB. We have the pen itself. Pretty nice looking pen. You got a couple buttons on here. You got your nib. It almost looks like an executive pen. I'm digging it. And then we have the stand. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay. There we go. You got the brackets on the back. You open it up. Then you got these brackets. You can just set it on. Then it stands up like that. Very simple, made out of, what is that, aluminum? You got an instruction manual with a microfiber cloth in there. Oh, I bet you that goes to the side of the stand for the pen. I bet that's what that is. All right, then we got a bunch of cables. All right, we got a basic HDMI to mini HDMI, a USB to micro USB adapter with this little clip on it. It's a little proprietary clip, probably clips right on. We got a USB extension cable, and that's it. All right. Ooh, nice. That's clean looking. Look at that. Wow, that's really nice, and it's pretty lightweight. Now you've got the 7 buttons on the side with the customizable dial. Apparently all these are customizable. Very clicky. This also has a center button. That's satisfying. On the back, you got these rubber feet, so you can lay it flat down on just anything. On the side, we've got our power button. Up and down, I'm guessing that's probably volume or menu select. HDMI input, and we have our micro USB input, and this is for that little proprietary clip. All right, there it is. It's a clean looking tablet. Okay, so we've got it set up. We've got Illustrator up. I sketched up this image on my free time. So I'm gonna give myself about an hour and see what I can do with this. Let's go.
Hey Matt, it's done.
Done?
Yep.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
nice.
I know, right?
All right, let me sit down real quick. Okay, so I'm finally done with this. I think I did a pretty good job. I've been practicing quite a bit lately. You can see my skills from stick figure to this has definitely improved.
Really?
What?
Excuse me?
All right. All right, all jokes aside,
All right,
for those who haven't been around for a while, this is my brother Jesse. He has actually been on the channel a couple times before, actually for the exact same reason, for drawing tablets. So he came today to do me a favor once again to show off the drawing tablet for you guys so you can actually hear from a professional. So overall, with your experience, what, that took about an hour or so?
Yeah, it took about an hour or so.
About an hour?
Yeah.
What'd you think? What's your thoughts on the whole thing?
It was pretty good. It feels natural. It feels like drawing on a pad. I seriously have no complaints. I'd give it a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
9 out of 10.
Really?
Mm-hmm. And for $310, this is an amazing deal.
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah, I'd recommend it to any budding or professional artist.
Nice.
As far as my use, this is perfect. I primarily use Illustrator to ink and do most of my work in Illustrator, and this is perfect for that. For those who use Photoshop and other things, it does have a great pressure sensitivity. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a tilt function, but other than that, it's perfect. It's a great tablet.
9 out of 10. You heard it here from the pro. All right, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.
Get out of here. Go find me on Instagram.
Oh, plug in, go.
Oh, quick plug. Go find my Instagram, Jesse J Artworks, JESSEJ Artworks. Find it.
Down in the description also. Now get out of here.